Comedian James Veitch used to jump out of the car and pretend to have died just to entertain himself whenever he was bored or frustrated. While that sounds extreme, it is a perfect metaphor for how we navigate a world that often feels like information overload. In personality science, we use the acronym OCEAN to map who you are, where the E stands for extroversion. But being an introvert isn't necessarily about being antisocial. It is about your neurophysiology and how you handle stimulation. While extroverts form a magnetic core at loud parties, introverts are more likely to seek out quiet spaces to lower their level of stimulation so they can perform at their best. Our biology actually dictates these preferences. For example, caffeine works much better for extroverts. If an introvert drinks coffee before a fast-paced or quantitative task, they might actually appear less capable because they have become overstimulated. We even communicate in different languages. When an extrovert meets a Charles, he rapidly becomes Charlie, and then Chuckles Baby. For an introvert, he remains Charles until a formal pass is given to be more intimate. Introverts prefer contextually complex, contingent, weasel word sentences, more or less, as it were. However, you aren't just a bunch of traits or stuck in a pigeonhole. You have what are called free traits. This means you can act out of character to advance a core project in your life, like an introverted professor who acts in an extroverted way because he adores his students and his field. But be careful. Acting out of character is exhausting. You will eventually need a regenerative niche to repair. For some, this means hiding in a bathroom stall to escape the slings and arrows of outrageous extroverts. Just remember, never talk to an introvert through a bathroom door. That is enough to constipate them for 6 months. Whether you are fighting a flood of 21,000 marketing emails or a crowded room, don't just fight the frustration. Let it be the catalyst for whimsy. Because in the end, you are like all other people, like some other people, and like no other person.